Good day. Thank you for watching the training. We're showing you how to submit an invoice using bill.com. First, you're going to open up your email, and Carla will have sent you an email from FaceTime Promotions. And again, this email is specifically for you and you only. It's your link to connect it to your email that you work with. You're going to see the Accept Invitation button. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to allow you to sign up. But even before you do that, if you just go to the regular bill.com, you can actually have them send you, just put your phone number in there, and they're going to send you an SMS, and it'll open up either your Apple or the Play Store, so you can download the app directly. But again, this is a specific sign-in link for you. It's like any other software. You're going to put in your name, address, phone number. You're going to put in your billing information and your bank account. So be sure to have your bank account open and ready, or have a blank check. It'll deposit 2 cents into your account, and that's how it's going to verify that you have a real account. So right now I'm going to sign in so we can show you specifically how to create an invoice for billing. Okay, once you're here, this is your dashboard. Once you start having invoices, it'll show you the invoices, whether it's paid or not. For the example purposes, go to that left side blue bar. We're going to scroll down to the word invoices. We're going to click on that. From here, we want to create a new invoice with the big blue button. And it'll give you this create invoice screen. Your information will already be pre-populated, as well as the customer, which is going to be FaceTime Consulting and Promotions. On the invoice type, we're going to keep that on the clean on the drop-down menu. The sales rep, that'll be your name. The PO number, highly recommend you just do the PO number as the date, because that is only going to be one time and those will not duplicate. So this one's for December 2019. Your payment terms, you have the drop-down list. We're going to keep that on the net 15. And the due date, you want to make that obviously the 15th of the month. However, in February of next year, you'll see that comes on a Saturday. So if you see the 15th of the month landing on a weekend or a holiday, just pick the next business day. For in February, you're going to put on the 17th. But again, for this bill, again, we're going to do a January 15th, which falls on a Wednesday. On your item numbers, you can actually put the date in here, and then you can leave it as an item with your rate. So before you do that, you need to open up your Pinata so you can see the previous gigs you have. So your item number is going to be the date. So I'm going to put for my item number December 20th. So I'd be at 12/20/19. In my item description, I'm going to take all this information from Pinata. So if you were doing, say, Floyd's or Dixie, you're going to put in the account. And then just going to copy paste that so they know it was going to be Floyd's ABC of Port Charlotte. The quantity, that's going to be your hours worked. So you had quantity of 3 hours, and then you're going to put in your pay rate, whether that be 20, 25, or 30. And then it'll automatically do the math for you. And you're going to do the same row. So if you had a double that day, we're going to actually look for the same date, or you can put a different date in. So if it was the 21st, we can do it this way. We can add the item, and then you're going to be able to put your rate in. So you can put your $20, $25, $30 per hour in there. I'm going to keep that as a service, add the item. Again, it'll pre-populate it just in the description. So you're going to go back to your Pinata. Look for your completed gigs. And then we'll take these in for the ABC Fort Myers. And just say this one was Dixie. the hours you worked, whether 1 to 4 hours. So I did 3 on this one at a $30 pay rate. And once you have confirmed your correct pay rates and the math is correct, again, this is only for the gig time and not for the expenses. The expenses are going to be done through PayPal or your other apps. You can put a message. You can put that you left the bottles at the venue and that you're going to PayPal for expenses. Once that's complete, you have this preview and send. So you can just preview it, make sure that your data is correct. You'll have the opportunity to download this as a PDF or you can print it. So if you'd like to download that, you can download that as PDF and you can keep it for your records. If it looks good, you're just going to hit that send button and the invoice is sent and you'll get a confirmation email as well. But again, you get to keep track of it here. Thanks for watching this tutorial.